Cherie, this showcase is for you.
Your showcase features prizes revealed as we explore the world of sound effects. And we'll start with the most interesting sound effect from the collection of our sound technician, Holly. And she picked up that sound by recording the action on this new train set. This LGV model is larger than the average models, comes complete with track, transformer, locomotive, 2 passenger cars, and 4 figures. The sound effect you're listening to now was recorded just last weekend when Holly stopped by her friend's house who was cooking hamburgers on a new barbecue. Charbroil mid-size and portable gas barbecue grills for outdoor cooking. Constructed of weather-resistant aluminum and steel. Enjoy cookouts in your backyard or travels from Charbroil. Can you folks guess where this delightful sound comes from? Our technician picked it up while enjoying a new hot tub. For helpful relaxation, a spa from Muskin, a division of U.S. Leisure. Muskin's Redwood Spa is vinyl lined for comfort and easy maintenance. It comes complete with filter, heater, ladder, rim deck, and redwood cover. Now for the mystery sound effect. This unique sound was provided by our specialist in the world of sound effects when she was lucky enough to handle the keys to this new Corvette. The new Corvette, all new wind tunnel design, fiberglass body, 350 Crossfire V8 engine, automatic transmission, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo, power windows and hatch, and all the other standard equipment, plus California emissions. And this showcase, featuring prizes revealed as we explore the world of sound effects, can be yours if the price is right.
Cherie, it sounds as if the audience would like to help you make up your mind on this bid. Are you ready to give me a bid?
$25,500.
$25,500 is your bid. A bid of $5,500 from Rebecca. And this, Cherie, your bid is $25,500 on your showcase, and the actual retail price is $27,595. A difference of $2,095. That's a very good bid with that much involved there. $2,095. You must be close to Rebecca without going over to win your showcase. Your bid is $5,500. Rebecca, the actual retail price of your showcase is $6,349. You win with a difference of only $849. That was an excellent bid. Thank you, Cherie. I hope you had fun. Good. Now, we're going to go over there and have a look at those prizes. Would you like that?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
Michigan.
How are you going to get all those prizes back to Michigan?
Good question.
We'll work that out for you. Bob Barker reminding you to help control the pet population. Have your pets spayed or neutered. Goodbye, everybody.
This is Johnny Olson speaking for The Price is Right, a Mark Goodson television production.